Get on video?
Mm-hmm. Do you have to hold the button down the whole time?
I don't know. I don't remember now. It's like one of those things you do automatically.
Okay. No, you don't. Danny's making ground meat.
Okay,
Puts the meat in. Gives a little push.
Yeah. Hey, use the pusher. No fingers, use the pusher. There you go. Good job. Good job, Danny. That's it. We don't have any more. I tell you what, I got one more thing we're going to throw in there. Just for good measure. Here, throw that in there.
Is that an onion?
Yeah. Little onion's always good. And here, we'll put a little piece of pepper in there too. You know what? Hold on. Let Mommy cut it. Cut it? There, now it'll fit better. Now you can put that in there too. Go ahead. Good job. All right, here, throw this onion in there. A little flavor. Future chef. Future Chef Danny. Hey, think it's coming. Don't touch, just look. I want you to manage to cut something.
Danny, don't move the bowl. Just watch it come out.
Watch it come out. Make sure it all comes out.
Danny, no!
No, you thought it was sugar.
No, just everything's in there that's going to go in there.
All right, where do we do this?